Okay, so till now we have added property details and room details have been added. Now it's time to add hotel contact details. Okay, so these are the details traveler will use to contact you. Okay, and these are the details which are available or visible to all travelers on the hotel listing page of yours on HotelonCall.com. So how you can reach over here? Again, once you have created your rooms, you will directly come to this page, or else we need to go to manage property. Okay, on this page again you will see the property name, and if you have multiple properties you will find more properties over here, but for right now we are going to make changes for this one or add the contact details for this particular property. Now you need to go to action, click on edit, and if you scroll down then you will see update contact details. Okay, simply click on it and you will be back to this page. All right, now here you need to enter the contact details of the person. Okay, so I'm going to enter my name over here. Now if you have multiple people who are managing over here, you can simply click on add more, and then you can add the next person name over here. So let's say I'm going to add Rohit Jain. So these are the two people. Okay, again landline number, if you want you can add that, or you can just leave this. Mobile number is required, so I am right now just entering a dummy mobile number, just because this is just for the testing purpose. And you can add more, and then add more mobile numbers if you want. Then you can mention your WhatsApp number also, and it will go live over there. Then again mention your property email ID. So I'm just entering dummy email ID right now. So let's say hotel@gmail.com. Okay, you need to enter your correct email ID, but just for the demonstration purpose I'm entering a dummy email ID over here. Okay, so address is already taken from the property details, so you do not need to change it. Then and share your profile details. Okay, sorry, profile photo. So this will be visible to traveler that this is the contact person to whom you are going to talk. So I'm going to click browse, and so here is my profile image. Okay, so that's over here. Now this is very, very important, please do it. You need to enter your Google map details over here. How to get it? Okay, so you need to simply go to google.com/maps and search for your property name over here. So in our case the property name is this. Okay, click over here. Now you got your property details. If you already are on Google Maps, then only you can add it, or else you have to leave it blank. But we need this details over here. So once you are here, click on share button, then click on embed a map. Okay, then from here select medium to small. Once you are done that, then click on copy HTML. Okay, once you are done, copy HTML, then come back to this page and click over here and then paste it. Okay, and once you have done this, cross check all the details and then click on continue. So now your contact details have been saved properly, and it's time to go live.